Welcome back for another DoorKing Tech Tip. Today's tech tip is registration. So you've installed the software and it's asking you to register. We have a few choices here. If you already have a registration and have your user ID and password, click here to associate it with this software. Today's focus is going to be on a completely new registration. So let's click on the button, Yes, Register Now. Here we are asking you to create a unique user ID and password. Both the user ID and password are case sensitive. Once the user ID is chosen, it cannot be changed. Also, the password must be at least 6 characters long. Now that you have chosen your user ID and password, click the button Continue in Browser. You will now be directed to our online site to complete the registration. Here we are presented with two choices, IM DKS VoIP or DKS Cellular. Today we will be setting up a IM server modem account, so let's click on the IM DKS VoIP. Here we ask you to fill out a little information about yourself and the property, so that we can contact you if there are any updates. With all your contact information filled in, let's continue the registration by clicking on Register in the bottom right. If the button is not lighting up, check and make sure both emails match exactly. These fields are case sensitive. Now with the emails matching correctly, let's click the Register button to continue. On this section of the registration, we are going to select your registration type. We are going to select the first option because we are going to be adding a system to our account. We also must read and agree to the terms and conditions to continue. This is the entry system activation page where you will be listing your system to activate. We are going to start with service type. This is how we are going to program your system. Go ahead and select IM server modem. To complete the registration, you will need the phone number to the telephone entry system along with the master code your installer programmed into the system. You can also name the property here and estimate the cost by entering your resident count. With your system information entered, click Add. You should now see your system in green above. To continue, click on Checkout below and go to Billing. And now the last step of activation is billing. Here you will select your billing cycle, annual or monthly, payment method, credit or paper check. Once you have selected your method, click on Checkout and Activate below. You have now completed your registration. Thank you for registering, and we'll see you next time for more DoorKing Tech Tips.